Welcome to Amazing Kitchen. Today we have a very special dish, something that is very tradition. Of course, everyone put their twist on it. So today, Amazing Kitchen, we're trying our twist on the Shakshuka. This is a Mediterranean dish that involves tomatoes and egg and is enjoyed across from Egypt all the way to Israel and Tunisia. It's just everywhere. Everyone loves it. Some likes it with meat, some doesn't. Some likes it really spicy, some doesn't. So for me, I've used some fresh chopped chili pepper instead of pepper flakes or chili powder. So this is very tasty. And then we finally sprinkle the top over with some coriander. So for this dish, it's very simple. The ingredients are right in front of you. So today I'm going to use a yellow bell pepper instead of a red, 2 small onions, and a few tomatoes. Then we have some fresh cilantro. We'll use that later on to sprinkle over the top. And we have 2 chili pepper. So I'll start by cutting our bell pepper. For this, we just simply chop it into small chunks because it will all infuse into our dish later on. Then we'll move on to our we'll move on to our onion. Then we also chop those into cubes, as small as you can, but no worries because it'll all melt in our tomato dish. Now once that's done, we can start with our tomatoes. Same, we just simply chop those into small cubes. As you can see, everything is all ready. We have our chili, tomato, onions, everything is there. So cilantro will be cut last because we'll first cook our chili with the onion and bell pepper. Once that's stir fry for 5 minutes, then we'll add a tomato to it and allow it to stew. Then we heat our skillet and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we can drop our onion, our bell pepper, mix it around, allow it to brown slightly, then we can add our garlic to it as well. That's just a few cloves. Mix it well until it's brown slightly. There we go. It's looking good now. Now we can add our seasoning, our cumin, our paprika, and some fresh grounded black pepper. So mix everything together. Now you can see it develops this nice red hue. Once the flavor releases, we can move on to add our tomato to this dish as well. And we mix this well. You can smell this right now, it's just amazing. So mix this well, then we add our chili to it. Then our tomato paste also. Once the tomato paste has released its flavor slightly, and we can cover this and allow it to simmer. But not until we add some salt. Simmer this for about 15 minutes on the low heat. Then let's check on it. Ooh, it's looking beautiful. It has thickened up and the tomato has softened up a lot. Now it's time to give it a try. Very good. Just a tad bit more salt will be good enough. Now we mix this up. It's looking beautiful. We can add our egg in it now. Make a smaller depression in our tomato and drop our egg in. So for my skillet, it's about 10 inches. We can hold about 5 eggs easily. And we cover this for another 10 minutes to allow the egg to soft boil. But if you like it hard, you can allow it to cook for a little longer. Look how beautiful this is. Alright, now it's ready to serve. Look at the steam. Now we sprinkle our fresh chopped cilantro, and we sprinkle it with some black pepper, and now it's time to give this a try. Now we're gonna dip it with toast. Of course, if you like, you can dip it with pita or anything of your choice. So we're gonna try with toast today. Now let's see how this is. Let's get some sauce and some of that egg. Oh yes. Okay, look at this. It's steaming hot. Very, very nice. A rich flavor from the tomato and the soft egg. And because I like spicy food, so this adds a lot of kick to this dish. You can have this for breakfast, for dinner, for lunch, your choice. Everyone have it differently, but I'm gonna have it for lunch today. Very, very nice. You really need to try this. And you know, the nice thing about it is vegetarian. Is everything is done in one pot. So you don't have to wash so many pots. Just everything, we stew in this, we add our egg in this, then we finally eat out of this. Okay, so now, thanks for watching again. So if you like what you see today, make sure you comment below and subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you have, make sure you hit the bell button. So check out our other videos with our sushi series where we fillet our salmon. Or if you like steak, we have our sous vide steak that you should really check out. Or the famous baked lobster by Amazing Kitchen. That is something unique. Something I grew up with, I love. Okay, thanks again. Thanks for watching. And until next time, we'll see you again. Bye now.